Removing and replacing the front struts on this 2002 Cabrio. You jack the car up, put it on jack stands. You're gonna need a 18 millimeter socket and wrench to loosen these two nut and bolts and take them off. A 10 millimeter to remove this attachment right here. Or you can simply, no, you have to remove it because you're gonna need to mount it on the new strut. So loosen that right there, the whole bracket will come off. Retrieve your screw. Pull this bracket out, move it away. Then over on this side, you have your ABS line. You don't really need to unplug it from here. Just do that and unplug it and pull it off the top bracket that's holding it. Now the new struts didn't come with any bracket up here, so we'll improvise on that by attaching this part here on this bracket. In fact, this one here on this bracket, there will still be enough room to move it for it to go over the other side and reattach itself in over here. Okay, so once that's done, remove these two, come up top, remove this one here, and the whole strut should drop off. This plate will remain up top. Everything has been loosened. Now we can wiggle the strut out of place. As you can see, it drops out easily. It's kind of stuck down here. Strut is out. Okay, this is the top, what it looks like. Compress the spring, remove bearing and cap. Pull your old strut out, and that's trash now. Get your new strut, insert it in the spring, put the dust cover on first, and then insert it, and then put the new bearing and cap back on the top. Bearing. I like using the original nut in most cases if they will fit the new struts. Sometimes the nut supply doesn't really resemble the original one, and I feel like it might not ride on that bearing properly and lock and tie it down. Once that's tight on the top, I will release the spring compressor. Make sure the bottom edge of the spring is in this little groove right here.